Good morning, 8th grade band kiddos. It's Mr. J talking about remote learning stuff. So today is November 17th. That's Tuesday. Yesterday was November 16th. That was Monday. You should have been contacted by your study hall teacher yesterday and just been given some information about how this is all going to work. So I'm just going to cover the band stuff real fast. All right. So remote instruction starts today. Yesterday was a contact day. This Monday was yesterday. And you obviously, Monday was spent for contact. So today is the first day we will start instruction. So you have English, Lit, and Social Studies. Band, that's me, is meeting at 1:30 to 2 o'clock on Google Classroom. If you go under classwork, so when you go to Classroom, you'll land here, click on classwork. And then if you click on this Zoom meeting link, it'll give you an option to click this. Click this, it'll open up my Zoom meeting, and then we'll meet there. Bring your instrument with you, and we'll be playing from there, okay? So we'll cover all that stuff together. Right, you see that we are also meeting on Thursday at 1:30, next week on Tuesday at 1:30, and then we have Thanksgiving break, obviously. So students only go to the electives that you are currently in. Music Tech is going to be on Friday this week, so if you're one of my Music Tech kids, I'll see you on Friday at 1:30 to 2 o'clock as well. Otherwise, make sure that you update your hard calendars to reflect the elective schedule meetings. You're going to meet with your first hour teacher at 8:30, second hour at 9 o'clock, third hour at 9:30, fourth hour at 10, fifth hour at 10:30, and sixth hour at 11. You're expected to log into Zoom or Google Meetings or Google Classroom or whatever your teacher says. For me, go out to Google Classroom, get on that Zoom. If you don't have access to the internet, make sure that you are letting me know and the office know so that we can accommodate you guys. Remote learning is graded. My grades are based on attending the Zoom meetings where we're just going to play together. I don't want to collect assignments because I don't want to stress you guys out. I really want to make sure that I'm being de-stressful. I want to make you healthy, make you feel better. And the way I can do that is by offering you a playing opportunity. So bring your instrument, you'll see what the playing opportunity is like, and that's what we'll be doing for our grades. Attendance is taken based on logging into the meetings. And I will provide the instructions. I am available outside of these Zoom times, so if you guys have further questions, shoot me an email, and I will happily hop onto video conference with you, or I'll phone call you, or whatever. Please make sure that when you join, you need to be dressed, you need to be out of bed, you need to be at like a table type area. So I had a couple of 7th graders who tried to join from their couch yesterday, and got to not do that. And make sure that you are muted unless I ask you to turn your stuff on. All right. And then there's a couple of examples. So if you need to know how to get out to Classroom, it's classroom.google.com. Should take you to this page, and then you just select junior high band from there, and you go from there. All right. So I care about you guys. If there's anything at all that I can do, whether it's school related, band related, or home related, if there's anything at all I can do, please let me know. If your instrument is at school, please contact me if you are unable to come and get it. If you are able to come and get it, please go ahead, call the office, let them know, hey, I'm coming in, and then just come and pick it up. Okay, and that's a fine way to do it. If you need me to drop it off to you, for example, if you don't have a ride, or if you're on the quarantine list, I can bring it to your house and then just leave it outside for you to grab, and that way you can play along with us. So I promise you that everyone who's done this with me so far has had a good time doing it. Playing online sounds weird, but it's not as bad as you might think. So I look forward to seeing you guys this afternoon at 1:30. Please contact me if you have any questions, and yeah, that's it. Bye.